In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new development plugin in Figma using Chrome. If you're getting started with plugin development in Figma, this is one of the first things you'll need to know. The process is very simple, but it helps to understand exactly where to click so you can get set up quickly and avoid confusion, especially if you're new to the Figma interface. Begin by opening Figma in Chrome and making sure you're inside the workspace where you want to start your plugin project. Once you're in Figma, look to the top left area of the screen for the main logo. Click that logo to open the primary settings and navigation drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to a range of options, including files, account settings, and developer tools. From that drop-down, move your cursor to plugins. When the plugin submenu opens, go to development. This is the area intended for testing, creating, and managing plugins during the development process. Inside the development section, click New Plugin. This will open the setup flow for creating a brand new plugin project. At this point, Figma will ask you to choose a development template type. You'll usually see options such as empty or with UI. If you choose empty, you'll start with a more minimal structure, which can be useful if you want a clean starting point or if you already know how you want to build your plugin. If you choose with UI, Figma will generate a template that includes a user interface setup, which is helpful if your plugin needs buttons, inputs, or other visible controls. Take a moment to choose the template that best matches your goal. If you're unsure, a UI-based template can be a practical option for learning because it helps you see how the plugin interface connects with the logic behind it. On the other hand, the empty template is great if you want to keep things simple and build only what you need. Once you've selected your template type, click Save. Figma will then create the new plugin development project based on your selection, giving you a ready-to-use starting point. And that's it. You've successfully started a new development plugin in Figma through Chrome. From here, you can move on to editing the generated files and testing your plugin as you build.